Hello, this is Nathan Martinez showing off my week 16/final coding project for Promineo Tech front-end development. So for the final project, we were going to develop a React page using at least 10 components, an API, either local or one online, using React Router, and then either Bootstrap or CSS, any styling format to style the function, to style the components as well as styling our page. So here's where I have all my code here to the side. So here on my app page. So let's go ahead and let's run npm start. That way we can go ahead and open up the actual project itself. So here's the actual React app itself. So I decided to go with a different theme here. So I did a 1930s theme style website, which is basically I made a web page that basically describes major historical events of the 1930s, as well as describe some significant events, some of what like automobiles were like, entertainment. And I used React Router here to style the page. So I made it active. So here's the home page it'll default to here. Then I have a cities page, entertainment page, automobiles, and significant events. And so here on V1 is where I actually made the React Router paths. So I have all 5 of my links here to the home page, cities, entertainment, automobiles. And over here is where I actually made my components folder with my 10 components. So like I mentioned, I did 5 pages. So cards, city, entertainment, events, and home. And I made each one has an accompanying CSS styling sheet for all of the actual classes that I styled for each one. So I'll just go through the project a little here. And so the first page is the home page, just a little summary about the 1930s. Some pictures here with some key historical figures, some major events. And here's actually at the bottom, probably the most historic event of the 30s that I included on here, the Great Depression. Here's some photos as well as some centered photos, as well as some text and descriptions. And then for the second page, I did cities here. So I did the top 5 populated cities in the 1930s. This one's formatted with the population, things like that. I use an unorganized list here. Philadelphia, Detroit, Los Angeles. Second screen here is going to be for entertainment. So such thing as popular movies and television, like we have radio as well as comic books. Another page here, formatted almost the same for automobiles, going through a list of some of the more popular automobiles from European car manufacturers and American car manufacturers. You can see here some old Mercedes and BMWs with a little bit about the car description and a heading underneath. And then for the final page, some significant disasters. Perfect. And for this project, I was unable to include a CRUD application, a CRUD function, as well as an actual API. Thank you.